Makeup these days have gone a bit pricey. I'm sure we can all agree. So today's video, we're going to be focusing on that is under £50 and they're also drugstore friendly. So all this makeup that I did, simple, cute, is under £15. Hello my love, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyasha and this is Makeup a Different. Starting off with eyebrows, obviously we are starting off strong. We're using the Makeup Revolution Razor Brow Pencil. I got it in a shade dark brown. I should have gotten it in black. This is about $7.99 if you're really like into the fluffy brow. This is the brow to have. Look at that, it's £7.99. Starting off strong. Sculpt my brows. I'm using in conceal underneath the fine concealer in the shade 31. This is such a nice concealer to conceal underneath the brows, just to sculpt them. I like that it's nice and thick. For like affordable brushes which were like £6.99. The Maange brushes from TikTok shop. I'm not sure if they're sold anywhere else. They probably are. So we got two primers. One primer from Primark. Guys, I rave about this. It's such a good primer and I don't even know how they managed to pull this one off Primark. Okay, I got one that I've also been loving from Maybelline. I think this is like £3.99 or £4.50. Oh yeah, I think it's £4.50. But I've been loving this, especially on the days I just want to glow. But I still glow with this one. £7.99. So that's under £15. So that's bargain. You can't use these together. I beg you, please do not do that because they work differently. This just smooth. This is a glowing. You have patchy makeup. I like how it's got the little pumpy thingy and whatnot. It just makes my skin glow. I do also like advise that when you are getting this, get one that's not too dark unless you like that look and you want to be tanned, but I like the one that's actually medium deep. So to pair that together, I'll be using my full coverage. This is a full coverage foundation. It's a Superstay 30-hour wear along with the concealer. I will be probably putting the H&B just to make sure I get that little bright-eyed look. So I want to pair these together. I mean, it's only right. This is I think $10.99 and this is also $10.99. I don't know why it's the same price. Honestly, and especially if you're oily skin and stuff, this foundation is good. It's been proven and tested that if you're oily skinned, this is definitely one of the best. Blush is She Glam. You can always also use your liquid lipstick or your lipstick too. This one is defaulted and it's kind of like a peachy color. I was gonna try this new sunset blush trend, but I might do it tomorrow and then we're gonna blend it. It's a She Glam blush and it's just, I think it's £3.49. Going in with our concealer, 30-hour Maybelline concealer. I really like the spoolie. Look at this spoolie, it's so tiny. It's tiny. This dries quickly, so you gotta work fast. As you guys, if you do not follow me on TikTok or my other socials, you'll probably be thinking I'm not as consistent, but I really am. I'm just more consistent on TikTok. For contour, actually, I'm gonna be using the LA Girl Pro. Oh my gosh, I have not touched this in ages and it's really dark. And for bronzer, I'm gonna be using my La Cava. I prefer bronzing my forehead than contouring it. Like, I've got a forehead, it's just, that's just the dealio. Hydrating mist from Vitamin E. Get it in Superdrug. Just before I blend everything. So you gotta work quick. Make sure that it's nicely blended. Okay. super cheap, super good, flawless. Gonna be using the Shein Flora palette just to add a little bit blush, and I'm going in with these two just here on the cheekbones and then moving it to my brow. For bronzer, I'm using the P. Louise, the Chick of It. It's actually their new bronzer. It's a baked bronzer and I absolutely love it. It's called Truffle Trend and it's about £14. Honestly, I've been obsessed with the Makeup Revolution bronzer, but this, when I tried it, I was like, okay, I found my new obsession, and it's got like some gold sparkles that it's gonna be just perfect for the summer time. This bronzer right here, guys, if only you could see this in person. We're gonna hydrate our face first. P. Louise eye base. You guys, if you have not heard about this eye base, you are sleeping. I wear neutral eyeshadow almost all the time, and what other than the perfect Makeup Revolution palette, Reloaded Velvet Rose. I love this palette because it's so multi-use. It's got contour shade, it's got bronzer shades, it's got other neutral shades on here. So I think I'm gonna go in, obviously I always feel like I'm gonna go in with this brown here, and I'm just gonna go on top of my crease. I always like doing this eyeshadow this way, I don't know why, and I kind of want to play with, I want to kind of just do the looks that people are doing these days lately, and I'm just moving it here, just sculpting it. This primer, honestly guys, it just makes your shadows pop like no one's business. And I'm going in with this color and I'm just gonna blend the top. So we're also just going on with that cool toned eyeshadow kind of vibe and stuff, and I'm just blending all of that together. And I'm using a Mange brush. Love this little palette. Honestly, it was like one of my to-goes around 4 times. Under £15. This is the Miss Young Wonder. I actually got this from Temu, guys. I've said this so many times. This is one of the best liquid liners I have tried. It's so good. By GG Beauty, lashes, and these ones are called GG. I have the natural ones which are called Kitty Cat, but I prefer the GG ones because they just give me the drama that I need, baby. Blushes are on, the look is coming together. So we're gonna set our face using Super Hold Misting Spray from Makeup Revolution. This is £12.99. It is so good. I love that it just fixes my makeup. Lasts so long when I use this. We're going in with a black liner, and this one's from UJV Beauty. It's just a normal black liner because that one is really, you need sharpening. With the new NYX Dark Plump. It's a high pigment plumping lip gloss. It is pretty fiery, and this one's called Cherry Spice, and it's like this. It's so cute, and it's like a pinky color. I just swallowed it and I feel like I just get some. You know what, I've worn it a couple of times, but I feel like I can never get used to it. So if you're a person who do not like things that are hot, I beg you, stay away from this one. It is spicy. Just use the fat oils, but whew. Guys, so this is the final look, and this is the look that I came up with. You know, something cool, something simple, and all the products were around under £15, so that's a bargain. So you want to get your hands on some of these products. They're really good and they're worth you trying. Makeup these days has gotten so expensive, and if you can find affordable products that are actually quite good, get your hands on some. You don't need to be spending extra amounts if you do not want to. So thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.